Hi, welcome to RC Kicks at Midlands Raceway.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. The most of this night, come on baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do.
And the winner of the best car today is Lee. Where's Lee?
Well done, Lee.
Thank you very much. That's 11,
So this is to win a Porsche 911 GT1 street car. And the winner is...
255 Luke G. There we go, sir. Well done.
Well done, Lee.